उसे क्या हो गया? What happened to her? What happened to her? अच्छे लड़के बनो। Be a good boy. Be a good boy. मेरे पैर दबाओ प्लीज। Press my legs please. Press my legs please. धीरे धीरे मेरा सिर दबाओ। Press my head gently. Press my head gently. आप कैसे हारें? How did you lose? How did you lose? मैं उसे नहीं हरा पाया। I couldn't defeat him. I couldn't defeat him. वह कपड़ों पर दिल खोलकर पैसे खर्च करती है। She splurges on clothes. She splurges on clothes. क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है? Do you think so? Do you think so? मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है। I don't think so. I don't think so. पता नहीं क्यों। I don't know why. I don't know why. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. तो क्या मैं जाऊं? Shall I go then? Shall I go then? अभी सो जाओ। Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. चलो सो जाते हैं। Let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. या Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. चलो कहीं और चलते हैं। Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. हम साथ में जाएंगे। We will go together. We will go together. छोड़ो मुझे। Let go of me. Let go of me. जाकर थोड़ी देर सो लो। Go take a nap. Go take a nap. वह घर नहीं जा पाया। He couldn't go home. He couldn't go home. जाकर उनका स्वागत करो। Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. तुरंत वापस जाओ। Go back at once. Go back at once. तुरंत वापस आओ। Come back at once. Come back at once. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? या Can I sit here? Can I sit here? एक एक करके आओ। Come one by one. Come one by one. जब तुम्हें ठीक लगे आ जाना। Come whenever you like. Come whenever you like. मैं यहाँ अभी अभी आया हूँ। I've just come here. I've just come here. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है। No one is here. No one is here. कोई आया अभी तक। Has anybody come yet? Has anybody come yet? क्या तुम साथ आओगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? मतलब की बात करो। Come to the point. Come to the point. या cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. पता चल जाएगा। You will come to know. You will come to know. मेरी गोद में आओ। Come on my lap. Come on my lap. मेरी बाहों में आओ। Come in my arms. Come in my arms. चलो उठ भी जाओ। Come on, get up. Come on, get up. या Come on, wake up. Come on, wake up. लो मैं उठ गया। खुश। See, I'm up. Happy. See, I'm up. Happy. तुमने रोहन को देखा क्या? Have you seen रोहन? Have you seen रोहन? तुमने उसे देखा क्या? Have you seen him? Have you seen him? मैंने उसे कहीं देखा है। I've seen him somewhere. I've seen him somewhere. मैंने तुम्हें देखा नहीं। I didn't see you. I didn't see you. मैं ये देख चुका हूँ। I've seen it already. I've seen it already. बहुत समय से दिखे नहीं, long time no see, long time no see. अगली बार मिलते हैं, see you next time, see you next time. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं, see you next week, see you next week. रविवार को मिलते हैं, see you on Sunday, see you on Sunday. आज के बाद मुझसे कभी मत मिलना, never see me again, never see me again. मैं अक्सर उससे मिलता हूँ, I often see him, I often see him. वह अक्सर गलती कर बैठता है, he often makes mistakes, he often makes mistakes. मुझसे गलती हो गई, I made a mistake, I made a mistake. कोई शोर मत करो, don't make any noise, don't make any noise. आधे घंटे के लिए, for half an hour, for half an hour. ये गलती से हो गया, it happened by mistake, it happened by mistake. ये कब हुआ, when did it happen, when did it happen. ऐसा कैसे हो गया, how did it happen, how did it happen. जितना जल्दी उतना अच्छा, the sooner the better, the sooner the better. तो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए. स्पोकन इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.